everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, this is going to be an Amazon unboxing of the Phomemo thermal printer. It is a thermal label printer. It's good for if you have a small business or if you want to print out stickers or business labels, mailing labels, things of that sort. And I hope I'm pronouncing the name correct. As a disclaimer, the video is not sponsored. This is only an informational video for anybody who has purchased this, or you're thinking of purchasing it. Maybe you saw it on Amazon or you saw it on Google somewhere and you just want to see some honest reviews and unboxing on it. So again, my name is April Monique, and if you're brand new to my channel, please consider subscribing. This is a lifestyle channel. I do videos of all sorts. I opened up my shipping box. This is the only box that was actually in here, inside of the brown Amazon box. So the Amazon box is empty. I did open this up previously, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. And it has a picture of the printer on the outside. By the way, when I purchased the printer, I have Amazon Prime, but when I purchased the printer, it came out to $93. So it's a printer that's right under $100. It's really good for small business. And let's go ahead and get it open. I'm really not for sure what all comes in here, so that's what's also exciting about this unboxing, because literally as I'm unboxing it, I'm discovering what's all really in here along with you all. So I think I opened that upside down. Let me adjust the camera so you all can see. I do have my laptop beside me over here. So this box was inside of this box, and we have more items inside of the white box as well. So I'm taking everything out one at a time, and let's see what is in here. Okay, so I think this is like the holder for your paper or for your labels. This will be your label holder. And they had this part, and then this part. So, and they actually give directions on how to put it together. They do have a little manual paper that comes with it to show you how to put it all together. I think it goes this way actually. So number one is telling you your pieces. Yeah, so I got all my pieces, and I want to make sure you guys can see. So I have this, that's gonna go down like that. Let me turn it this way so you guys can also see what's going on. And then that is going to go, oh, okay. So turn it back around for you guys. This piece is going to snap in right over here. And then you just push it forward and then it tightens in place. Real simple. And then we'll do the same thing for this side as well. Or you know what? Hold on. I think, yeah, actually, because on this, they have like this inside part and then the outside part. So this one should have went over here on this side. So that way, because if you see here, the inside is facing out, the outer way. So I'm gonna remove it and put this in here. But honestly, I mean, that's just from an aesthetic look. As far as the functionality of it, I don't think it matters like which one you really put in, as far as you really wanting it to just function how it needs to function. Yeah, so it goes like that. And then we have this part. So this piece right here is going to go back here. It goes back here. So I know I got this piece. So it's real easy. It's just that my back piece, I'm thinking my back piece supposed to like, it snaps on that side, but on this side, okay, it's in. At first it was kind of sliding and I wasn't too sure about that, so. All right. The back piece is supposed to slide all the way down like so. Your paper will also hang over the top of the printer like so. It's going to go across up here. And they have this side to it, and then they got that side, and then they have like some little holes. I don't know if you could see, like, I mean little circles, not holes, but circles. But honestly, I mean, only if you're worried about the aesthetics of it. It really doesn't matter which way you put it, if it's facing inside or outside. But you know, but if you a little worried about the aesthetics of it, then you know, of course, you just have the inside face inside, outside face outside. Hopefully y'all understand what I'm talking about. So that piece literally just slides in right there. And oh, it should snap actually, because I see some grooves. I might need to Well, I thought it was snap. No, I guess it doesn't snap. Okay, so I don't think it snaps, but so just know if you do pick your printer, your holder up, don't grab it like this, because literally you're just gonna pull this part up. So I guess that just kind of rests in there. So if you pick it up, I would suggest you pick it up from the base, because this is plastic. So it's plastic. It's not like super cheaply made, but it's a little cheap made, but not like extremely cheaply made. It's plastic, so I suggest if you pick it up, just pick it up from the base, especially if you have paper on this. So, all right. So that's how you put that together. This is the holder that will hold your paper or your label holder. That's what it's called. This is your label holder, guys. So it's cute. So I'm gonna sit this right up here to get that out of the way, and let's move on to everything else that's inside of the box. So they have like a manual in here. This side should face down. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not a manual. These are actually our labels. Actually, these are some labels that they sent. This side should face down. Okay, so they do have, they'll let you know what side goes down. That's probably backwards. You're probably reading it backwards on my camera. I apologize. But it says this side should face down. So I'm not sure exactly how it goes. But by this saying this side should face down, I'm assuming it goes, you know, you just lay it in like this. And then, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Hold on. Let me just... Let's go through some more of the box. Okay, next we also have like some USB cables here. We have a USB cable. It says material of wire. The coat for this product is made from TPE. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, so it's just telling you like the material of it, but 9 times out of 10, actually, let me open it. This, I believe, is going to plug into my laptop. So it has this USB, and I believe this USB will probably plug into my laptop. So I'm gonna just sit it beside my laptop, and I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what this is exactly, but some kind of manual does come with this. So yes, they do have a user guide, and then we're gonna get to the actual printer itself. Seem like setting it up might be a little complex. So this is a user guide. It does come with the item that was in the box. Look like something else is in here too. But ta-da-da-da! The actual printer. And I think when I ordered this, I have it up here on my laptop. You can order it in white. You can order it in white or black. So it does come with a warning. It says read me first. Live technical support via phone, email, and remote desktop. Okay, so it's just telling you about technical support. Oh, I think I had it turned the wrong way. So this would be, oh, here we go. This would be the front. So this is what it looks like from the front. The side. The back with a little, oh, this is a, oh, actually this is a label, your label on the back actually. This is my first time ever owning one of these. And then it has the README label at the top. That's probably backwards on your screen as well. But they offer a lot of resources, a lot of directions on how to set it up and get it going. And I'm gonna hold it up to my shirt like this just to show you the, you know, in reality of how small it is. It is small and it's compact, and it's not gonna take up a lot of room on your desk. And I'll also show you all towards the end of the video of like what it looks like on my desk and everything. So the only other thing, so now the box is empty. So the only other thing inside the box was basically the power cord. So we have this power cord. It also comes with another cord. And if I sound a little congested, y'all, I do have a cold. I've taken the last couple of days off work, but I do have a cold, but it's getting a lot better. So this is another cord, with like a charging cord possibly that comes with it, and an adapter. So here go your adapter. So, and you know, for anybody that's not really into a whole lot of technological stuff, if you're purchasing one of these for the first time, do not get discouraged by the plugs. Like, because I can already see that this is the adapter. This plug is gonna plug into there like that. And then this is gonna go into the wall. This end will probably go into your computer. So, I'm sorry, not your computer, but into your printer. And then this is probably a cord that goes from the printer, connects your printer to your computer. So yeah, so it's not a big thing with this. I did notice it did come with this USB, so maybe this is some kind of like Bluetooth deal or something. I'm not sure. I'll have to look through the user guide and see. So this was basically an unboxing. This is everything that came with it. Your lovely thermal printer, your label, sorry guys, I had to think of it, your label holder, as well as some complimentary label paper. Now, if you're doing this for a business, or if you want some different labels, like different shaped labels or stickers, of course, you're gonna have to just order some on your own, which I'm definitely gonna have to order mine because I purchased this for my sunglasses business. And then you have your adapters that come with this as well. So that's all that comes with it. It does have a user guide. It even has a little user guide to set up your label holder as well. So this completes the unboxing video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please share this video, like this video, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.